Students, this is Mrs. Shields. I'm so excited about this government course, and I'm so happy you're taking it. All the information for your government course is going to be on your home screen. Again, if you get lost, go back to the home page and you can find all the course information and links. Over here are all your assignments with the due dates. These assignments are due on these dates. Your announcements are up here. I will have a new announcement every week. Here is a link that will get you to counseling, and here is a link that will get you to registration. Here is my phone number. This goes right to my cell phone. It is a Google Voice number, but it goes right to my cell phone. Here is my email address. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or need help. We can set up a meeting on the phone or in Zoom. Here are your important dates and all the holidays. Okay. Here's the course up here. It's divided into 12 different modules. Here is your Start Here module. You will want to do that the first week. But what I really want to go over are the chapters. Okay, so we're going to be getting into chapter 1. All the chapters are the same. You look at the video. Go ahead and play the video, play the short video. It will give you a nice introduction to the chapter, and then you'll do your reading. If you would like to listen to the chapter, click on Immersive Reader at the top of the page, and the chapter will be read aloud to you. Inside of these reading pages are a lot of links to other sources, okay? And there's also videos and interactive activities. At the bottom of each page is a quick check. These are not graded and are only for you to practice your recently learned knowledge. At the end of the reading, you'll do a quiz. You are also responsible for completing 4 discussion posts. There is a discussion post in Module 3. We'll go back out to Home and go to the Chapter 3 discussion post. Click on the little reply word to create your first post. You can upload pictures by clicking on the picture icon. You can post a picture if you want to, but you don't have to post a picture if you do not want to. Let's go back out to the home page. You will have a midterm after completing chapters 1 through 4. Then you'll have a final after completing chapters 5 through 9. The midterm and the final are timed. All other assignments are not timed. Okay, we will be moving through this together. Call or email me if you have any questions. I'm really looking forward to you taking this course.